Tutorial: Write your own FindFiles tool. How to use FindFirst and FindNext with recursion, for adding file names and paths to a string list. How to create a list of the files in a folder and its subfolders. In the following short tutorial, I'll show you the basics for writing your own FindFiles tool. The procedure: FindFiles, FilesList, StartDir, FileMask, locates files in a given folder and its subfolders. The files correspond to a FileMask that you specify. Parameter: FilesList is a string list to which the full paths of the files will be added. In parameter StartDir you pass the starting directory, folder, including the disk drive. If you want to search an entire disk, you specify the root directory of that disk, such as C:\/ or a:\\. In parameter FileMask you pass the name of the file to find, or a FileMask with wildcards, using * and. Examples: FindFiles, FilesList, C \, letter 01.doc, FindFiles, FilesList, C \, star.dpr, FindFiles, FilesList, D \projects, test.dpr. If you want to try this procedure, add the following components to a form: 2 edits, 1 for the starting directory, 1 for the mask, a button, a T-label, a list box. The source code of FindFiles. In FindFiles we use recursion. The procedure calls itself, in order to find the files that are located in subdirectories. Procedure: FindFiles, FilesList, stringlist, StartDir, FileMask, string, var sr, searchrec, dir list, stringlist, is found, boolean, I, integer, begin if StartDir length, StartDir, then StartDir equals StartDir plus / build a list of the files in directory StartDir / do not include the directories. Is found equals FindFirst, StartDir plus FileMask, file directory, sr, equals 0, while is found do begin FilesList.add, StartDir plus sr.name, is found equals FindNext, sr, equals 0, and FindClose, sr, / build a list of subdirectories dir list equals stringlist.create, is found equals FindFirst, StartDir plus, any file, sr, equals 0, while is found do begin if, sr.addr and directory, 0, and sr.name1. then dir.list.add, StartDir plus sr.name, is found equals FindNext, sr, equals 0, and FindClose, sr, / scanned a list of subdirectories. Recursively for I equals 0 to dirlist.count1 do FindFiles, dirlist I, FileMask, dirlist.free, and how to use FindFiles. Before calling FindFiles, you create a string list to which FindFiles will add the full paths of the files that are found. The contents of the string list can be shown in a list box, saved to disk, whatever. Finally, you have to free the string list. Procedure T form 1. Button find click, sender, T object, var files list, T string list, begin files list equals T string list. Create, try find files, files list, edit StartDir.text, edit FileMask.text, listbox1.items.assign, files list, label count.caption equals files found, plus into str, files list.count, / other processing with the list of files, / finally FilesList.free, and end.